Huawei Mate 20 Pro sold out during first round of sale on Amazon. Huawei has announced that Huawei Mate 20 Pro, touted in the media reports as the king of smartphones, has sold out completely during the first round of sale on Amazon. Huawei has partnered with Chroma for its offline strategy and will also be organizing road shows between December 4 and December 16 to give customers an exclusive experience of the smartphone. OnePlus 5G phone to be among the first with a Snapdragon 855. OnePlus has announced that their unnamed 2019 flagship will be among the first smartphones to use the Snapdragon 855 chipset, with help from UK-based carrier E. It would also be Europe's first 5G phone, they further said. Reportedly, the 5G OnePlus device will not be the official OnePlus 7 but will rather be a part of a separate product line. HCL to buy 7 IBM products for $1.8 billion in its biggest acquisition. Noida-based IT major HCL Technologies has said it will acquire 7 IBM products by mid-2019 for $1.8 billion in its biggest ever acquisition. The all-cash deal entails software products in areas including security, marketing, and collaboration solutions, representing a total addressable market of over $50 billion. The deal includes a transfer of some IBM employees, CFO Prateek Aggarwal said. Huawei CFO was held while changing planes during HK to Mexico trip. Chinese telecoms giant Huawei's CFO Meng Wanzhou was arrested in Canada's Vancouver on December 1 while changing planes during the trip from Hong Kong to Mexico. A U.S. court issued an arrest warrant for Meng on August 22. The daughter of Huawei founder Ren Zhengfei, Meng spends 2 weeks a year in Vancouver, where her family owns 2 homes.